The question I get asked the most is how to download my pattern on Etsy, and here I'm going to show you how. You're going to log into Etsy.com on your computer, log into your account, and go to your profile on the upper right hand side. Once you click on that scroll down button, you can go to the third option, which is Purchases and Reviews. Here you'll see all your purchases you've made on Etsy. I have Poppy the Panda pattern. It says ready to download, and I can download my files by clicking on the black button. Here you'll see a note from me, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see your file. You can click on the download button, and that will download the pattern onto your computer. You can go back to this as many times as you need to if you haven't saved this pattern onto your device. This is how it looks when I click on my pattern. I have the option to print or to download onto my computer, and it may look a little different for you. The most important thing to mention here is the Etsy app does not let you download a pattern. If you have purchased a pattern on the Etsy app, you will have to go to Etsy.com and log in order to download that pattern. I hope this quick tutorial helped you on finding and downloading your pattern. If you want to crochet along with me, I have a ton of crochet alongs on my YouTube channel, and if you're looking for free patterns, please go to yarnsociety.com.